The purpose of this video is to show you how to create drop-down menus in Google Sheets. The first thing that you need to do is to have a document where you want to create drop-downs. In another sheet, you need to create the drop-downs that you want to include. Identify the cell where you want to add the drop-down, click on it, click on Data, scroll down to Data Validation. Here you'll see the cell that's identified, and you have different options. This is List from Arrange. You have list of items, numbers, text, date, and custom formula or tick box. We want to keep the default List from Arrange. This is where you're going to place the cells that you want to have in the drop-down menu. What we're going to do is we're going to leave this sheet open, but we're going to go to the page where we want our drop-down, where we have identified our drop-down menu. You need to first click back in the cell so it'll know that you're identifying the cells that you're going to have in the drop-down. Start at the top, scroll down to the bottom of what you want to have in your menu, and now click OK and save. If we go back to our original sheet, we'll see that in this cell we now have a drop-down menu, and we can click on whatever we'd like to add. You can also add a calendar to a cell as well. What I'd recommend is adding text here so that whoever's using this document will know to double-click to add the calendar. After you have your text in your cell, you go to Data, Data Validation. Now what we're going to do, rather than using List from Arrange, we're going to click and add Date. And you'll notice this cell now says it's a valid date. So we click Save, and if someone double-clicks the cell, they can select the date to put in the cell. If you put in a data validation without having any text, it's not apparent to the people who are going to use it that that data validation is even there. You can't even tell. So they would have to know to double-click to enter the date. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.